Hey everyone, welcome back as we continue the 25th anniversary edition of the PBS Kids Marathon. The new content is here once again as we get ready to close out Teletubbies with the 2001 VHS closing and a personal favorite of mine, Teletubbies Baby Animals. If you want to check out the openings and closings that I did back in 2016 and 18 when I was 13 and 16 years old respectively, there will be a card at the end of this video. Let's play the tape.
Bye bye Tinky Winky.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Dipsy.
Bye
Bye bye Lala.
bye.
Bye bye Po. The sun is setting in the sky. Teletubbies, say goodbye.
PBS Kids.
Okay, that's it for the 2001 VHS closing to Teletubbies Baby Animals. That also concludes a look at these Teletubbies VHS classics. Well, I hope you enjoyed them from the two new contests that you guys saw, including the Teletubbies videos I did back in September of 22. Now, once again, if you want to see the Baby Animals VHS openings and closings I did in 2016 and 18, there should be a card at the end of this video, and I will take you there. And you could also check out when I did Go Exercise with the Teletubbies, the original VHS closing that I did back in 2016. It's funny because I never did a remaster of that video. Probably because that tape got ruined around that same year from one of my old VCRs, which I believe was the Audio Box VCR portable that I used to have back then, if you guys remember. Yeah, they got ruined. And it took me till 2022 to finally reunite it again alongside this video. Okay, that's one showdown out of two. Join us in the next video as we now go to the Duke Lemur University Center to a place known as Animal Junction to hang out with the Crab Brothers, Chris and Martin, and hang out with that leaping lemur who is full of energy. His name? Zaboomafoo.